Understanding beef about something, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase you might have heard in English conversations, beef about something. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it correctly in your own conversations. So, let's dive in. When someone says they have a beef about something, they are expressing that they have a complaint or grievance about that particular issue. It's a casual and somewhat colloquial way to say that something is bothering them or that they are not happy about a certain situation. Interestingly, this phrase can be traced back to the old days when people would have beef with each other, meaning they had disputes or conflicts that could even lead to fights. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. I have a beef about the way they're handling the project. It just seems inefficient. She has a big beef about the new policy at work. She believes it's unfair to some employees. Do you have a beef about the decision? Or are you okay with it? These examples show that the phrase can be used in both professional and personal contexts to express dissatisfaction or complaints about various issues. While beef about something is widely understood in informal settings, it's important to know when it's appropriate to use. It's perfect for casual conversations with friends or family, informal discussions at work, especially if the workplace culture is quite relaxed, social media posts or comments when expressing personal opinions. However, it's best to avoid this phrase in formal communications, such as in official emails, business presentations, or when speaking with someone you're not familiar with. In these cases, more formal language is preferable to convey your complaints or grievances. And there you have it. Now you know what it means to have a beef about something, and how to use it appropriately in different contexts. Remember, learning phrases like this one can really help you sound more natural and fluent in English. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations, and see how it enhances your English speaking skills. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.